I do a lot of videos on mobile optimization of Squarespace sites because it's something that's often overlooked by, a lot of users who they're blown away by the desktop version and, they just kind of forget about the mobile site. But one thing I don't really touch on too much is the mobile menu, because for the most part, it's quite hard to get wrong. But there's a few things that I've picked up that I think would help. So I'm going to put it into a video. On our site here, if we want to go into the mobile menu, all we do is we click on mobile up here, and then we're going to click edit. Now, one thing, I remember a client said this to me years and years ago when I was just starting out, that it's always best to have the hamburger menu on the right-hand side. Now, apparently that's where the thumb naturally drifts. And I get that, but, what about the lefties? If you're left-handed, I'm sure your left thumb is going to want to go up here. However, I get the point that, the majority of people are right-handed, and so the right thumb will always tend to sort of drift up here. So one thing you can do on your site, if we click Edit Site Header, is we can go into the design here, and then we can click on Layout, and we can just pop the hamburger menu off to the side there, which is easier to reach for the thumb. Obviously, there's a lot more layouts that you can go with. So if you want to make sure people aren't accidentally, thumbing the cart when they want to go for the hamburger menu, you can do that too. I think it's quite good to have them both here personally. That is, I would just say preference, to be honest. Now, the other thing that we can do is if we click on menu, we can decide, okay, do we want these all to sit to the left? Or do we want them to sit in the middle or the right? Personally, I like to go for the middle. I think it's the easiest to access. Again, if we think about righties and lefties, what's easiest to access? Right in the middle. Okay, so probably space these out a little bit. Keep it in the middle. And there we go. We're good to go. Now, this is a little bit different from the videos that I usually do in that a lot of this is just completely personal preference. But I was just thinking recently about what that client said and what a few clients have said since. I think this is a really handy little tidbit when thinking about optimizing your mobile website as well. So hopefully you found it useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.